So a little birdie told me that you're looking for an edible, healthy cookie dough. So here it is, let's get started. So this is gonna be very easy. First get started by making your own oat flour by putting your oats in a powerful blender and then blend it until it's powdered completely. A little bit of roughness is fine. Add all of that oat flour into a large bowl.
Then go ahead and add your Greek yogurt and your sweetener. I'm using stevia today. And once you've added it, combine it really well with the help of a whisk. Once combined, add in your vanilla extract as well and then give it another quick mix.
And then fold in your chocolate chips with the help of a spatula. Otherwise the whisk will break down the chocolate chips. Once that's done, all that's left to do is plate it and refrigerate it for a few minutes. What I like to do is use a scooper to really get that cookie dough type shape, and refrigerating it basically helps to firm up the cookie dough. And just like how it works for overnight oats, the longer the oats sit in the fridge with the yogurt, the fluffier it'll be when you take it out. So this is going to be a great healthy dessert that you can have on hand at all times. And then to serve, I like to put a bit more chocolate chip. You can choose whatever variety you want, and then just some sprinkles, because why not? And that's how you make a really nice homemade, healthy, edible cookie dough for yourself or for everybody, and it's gonna be a lot of fun. If you want more desserts from me, because I know that's lacking, be sure to hit that like button, leave me a comment down below, hit subscribe, hit the bell icon. You know what to do. I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.